Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel where today we are going to be recapping the price action from Friday, May 1st, where I managed to come out break even because of Trump's tweet. So getting into things from the daily chart, we have been just bullish. We are at all-time highs, so I'm just mainly looking for buys. Looking at the other assets, we can see that YM was pushing very hard the day before towards these highs, and all of these equal highs here. The overall target for YM are still these all-time highs. Looking at the 7-hour chart, I didn't really see much pre-market, just we tapped inside this fair value gap on the London 7-hour candle, and basically coming into the day. So I'm just gonna skip to the 15-minute chart. So coming into the day, I've seen YM still have bullish momentum inside of it, and I was looking to get up to these Asian highs, and that would have been just before 9:30. And if we look on the 5-minute chart, we can see that we have had this strength switch here. So YM was the overall most bullish asset, and then we formed this SMT like this, and once we closed above here, I was looking to trade it like this up to the highs, so that would have been a really nice perfect 2-hour trade. But I wanted to see the way we trade at 9:30, and I didn't enter on this, even though it would have been a pretty nice entry. So at 9:30 we can see that YM started to slip downwards, and we can see that strength was building up into NQ, and I didn't really have a target on NQ as we were at all-time highs. So I was looking to see another strength switch. So I was looking to see even more strength be put inside NQ. So NQ would be the one injected with the most liquidity, and the one that would be unable to take any more lows. So we can see that here at 11 o'clock, we can see that we have this SMT with ES and YM, and by 11 o'clock, I kind of disregarded what YM was doing, because if we look, let's say, on the 1-hour chart, we can see that we were above these highs. It was Friday, and I didn't expect YM to do much, but because of this event's push the day before, I mainly wanted to see the high put in and then close. So the weekly candle would look something like this. So we opened, made the low on Thursday, the high on Friday, and then close. And because NQ was much stronger, I didn't expect NQ to just stop here, and I was looking to trade NQ even higher. So that prompted me to take this trade right here at 11:10. Even though the other assets didn't CISD, on the 15-minute chart, we can see that we had kind of a strength switch with ES, where NQ dipped inside this fair value gap, and we have SMT fill with ES, but then we had this bullish SMT where ES took out this low. So I was just looking between these two assets, and mainly disregarding YM, because I have just seen it be just weaker, and didn't really expect YM to go up any higher, and it would just consolidate and mess with my bias for today. So this was just a discretionary way of using this SMT and then waiting for the weakest asset to CISD. So I was just mainly focusing on these two, and also I've seen this really good close here on ES. So we closed above this gap, and on NQ we actually CSD. So this was definitely the strongest asset of the three, and I wanted to see these highs get revisited because we didn't have. Oh, sorry. Uh, we only had this small SMT here, but I didn't really like that. I wanted to see something more, and I entered at 11:15 with my stop on this 11 a.m. Low, and I was basically targeting 2R out of this. And once we took out these highs, I put myself to break even, and at 11:48 or at 11:50 actually, Trump tweeted something, and the market just went into consolidation mode. And he was saying that basically we are done for this Friday, so we haven't done anything, and I couldn't really get any trades in this because we were just stuck inside this range created from uh, this basically 11 o'clock candle. So yeah, this was basically it. I was just looking to trade based on strength, and I really liked the way NQ was pushing up, and I was completely disregarding YM because we had a huge decoupling with YM going up so much the day before, and NQ was still trying to catch up. So yeah, this was basically the trade for Friday, and I'll be back with a lesson probably tomorrow or Monday. So stay tuned for that and subscribe to be the first one to see it when it drops. And until the next time, guys, peace.